ever get lost, I can come back to this and read it and figure out, what am I doing? Am I on course? Am I off course? Do I need to make adjustments, or am I right on target? Are my goals too high, or are my goals not big enough? Bam! Do I need a business plan? Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. Welcome to my channel. Here I like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education on making money online and reviewing my favorite products and services. If you're interested in finding different ways to make money online and to grow a business using the internet and anything else related to that, make sure to grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Do we really need to talk about this? If you're considering starting up a business, wherever you want to do, and if you really want to succeed with something, you need to have a plan. It's always best to start out with some kind of plan and put it on paper. Why? Because you can share this with everyone. It takes the thoughts that are in your head and puts them down on paper, and you can share it with the world, and you can look at it and you can analyze it and you can think about it. Now, the reason I don't want it on the computer is you have to be at a computer to look at it. I actually have a copy of it here on paper. I have 3 copies. I have one with my notes whenever I'm thinking of something. I have one in my car, and I have one at my desk. So if I ever get lost, I can come back to this and read it and figure out, what am I doing? Am I on course? Am I off course? Do I need to make adjustments, or am I right on target? Are my goals too high, or are my goals not big enough? They're probably not big enough, to be honest. If you want to succeed on building an online business, then you need to have a business plan in place before you start. But one thing, do not let that stop you from starting, all right? The number one thing that stops people is the start, okay? Pull the trigger. I have a thing that I've been following for years, is a statement. It's ready, fire, aim, fire again, okay? So don't let it stop you from starting, but make sure it's part of your start. Your business plan does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be 7 or 8 pages. You're starting something, okay? You're not going public, okay? You're not going through an IPO where you need all this crazy paperwork that is just a book this thick, and it has to be through the FTC and all these other things to be able to go to a public market. No. It can be 1 page. All right, let me pull this back out again. It only needs to be this, just on paper. You can do it on a napkin and then put it on paper there. So I want to give you a handful of questions, about 12 of them, to think about and write this down. Grab a piece of paper, write this down, go through these steps, and then get back to me and leave a comment down below. Okay, number 1, what is your business model? Number 2, what skills do I need to be successful in this business? Number 3, smash the like button. Seriously, number 3, what tools do I need to operate this business? 4, what products or services am I promoting? 5, what is my target market? And don't just say anyone, drill it down and get very specific. Like mine is families and individuals between 25 and 65 in the United States and other English-speaking countries that desire a part-time income working online with the potential to grow into a full-time business. And if you are interested in that, I will show you how you can get that information at the end of the video. Did I say 5? Number 6, where do my ideal customers hang out? 7, how will I convert leads into sales? 8, what is my free marketing strategy? 9, what is my paid marketing strategy? You're gonna have to invest a little bit of money if you wanna make this work fast. Where do I wanna be in 1, 3, and 5 years? That was number 9. Or 10? I can't count. What are my startup costs? And what are my financial goals? Okay, now I've given you a handful of questions. I want you to go through a list. Tell me in the description below, are you gonna do this? Are you gonna take action? Say, I'm doing it. Say, I'm not doing it. Down below, let me know. I'd like to get back to anyone who comments. And I said I was gonna give you an opportunity on how you can get started online and what business model you can use. What I use is affiliate marketing. I wanna give you a free book on email marketing, how to get started, how you can apply it in your business. It's down in the description below. And I am an affiliate with this company, If you do make a purchase, the book is free. If you do make a purchase, I will receive a commission at no additional charge to you. Go down below. It's kevinjpineau.com. 5 simple steps. It's down there, the first link. That ebook will go right into your mailbox. You'll see a short video after, and I'll introduce you to the program you can get into to actually start building this business. And the one last thing I forgot to tell you at the beginning, this is the most important thing. Hit the subscribe button again. Thanks.